2005 6.0 diesel cold start, 24 degrees. Would you look at that? She fired right up. Sounds good. Little biodiesel plus. And I got the high torque starter. Starts right up, guys. Way better. See if we get the high idle soon. I really smell the fuel. Yeah, I gotta clean those tires. It's so cold, I got no water. It's all ice. It's all cold evaporation smoke. There she goes. She's got the little whistle. Three minutes now, running strong. I love this 6.0 diesel. All original, just new intercooler tubing and one hard pipe. But all original. Runs great. Pulls like a beast. Alright, over and out. I'll get up close. Go see what it says inside.